Everyone, this is Ahmed Dawn. We all know that Google doesn't offer any unlimited cloud backup from any Android phone anymore or from Google Photo app, which used to be true in the past. But there's still a small hack which you can do to have unlimited cloud access for photos and videos, and many people do not know about this. So the secret is to have a Pixel phone which still is below Pixel 5 series. So for example, I have a Pixel 4a 5G or any Pixel phone, as long as it's under Pixel series 5, then this offer still exists on this phone, which is the unlimited cloud storage for photo and video. So I bought the Pixel 8 Pro just about 2 weeks ago, but this is my Pixel 4a 5G, which still offers unlimited cloud storage for photos and videos. And I'm not going to give up this phone ever, because as long as I have this phone, I can just put any files from my computer in any drive, any folder in here, and this is going to be backed up unlimited cloud storage for photos and videos. And this is a simple hack not many people know. So for the next tips and tricks video, I'm going to put a link on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.